Today we are going to set up our Ooze Labs chemistry station. It has all of the things it needs. It has a big lab station and 20 experiment cards and a book so when we can see. And we're going to do the first experiment, which is glow in the dark slime. Okay, let's set up our chemistry station. Mommy, I want to do it too. I want to say it too.
Okay.
Dance down or dance up. Stop getting funny. I'm sorry. It's just so funny. You look so cute. Stop getting funny. It's just you look so cute.
Don't do it without parent supervision.
Yeah, and they're going to watch you. And don't do it if your parents are not going to watch you. My parents is down here. Yeah, our parents is down here. I don't want the Christmas Eve. There is one. Saw something.
First, we're going to do glow in the dark slime.
And get my teddy.
First, we're going to need the tall, wide test tube. Kids, don't do this without your parents.
Yeah, kids, don't. I'm a kid. I need to
Okay. We're going to need the lid.
They got
measuring cup.
But they got another. But Daddy's here.
Glow in the dark slime powder.
See, Daddy's here. It's powder. And be cute and see.
Oh, we have to put 75 milliliters of water in here. So fill this with some water to this line right here. You see that line?
That one,
right
that's
there.
between this one and that
yes, between a 70 and 80.
one.
Fill that with water.
75
milliliters of water.
I'm not gonna hurt my parents. I'm not gonna hurt.
And we'll need a spatula.
Spatula. What?
Use a spatula.
Ooh, spatula to mix it all up into slime. Now. I'm going to win.
Now we're going to shake up the slime again.
Ooh.
Scientist Terrence is shaking up the slime.
Yeah, I'm eating cereal.
Every few minutes, shake up the slime for 20 minutes until 20 minutes is up. Shake it up. Shake it up, scientist.
I said a little bit down here.
You got a little bit down there?
Stop. Let me see.
Okay. After the contents of the test tube have solidified, open up the lid and have fun experimenting.
Ooh.
Have fun experimenting. Let's see what you can do with the slime.
Oh gosh. Is it okay
Is
if we
it too
get
slimy?
it?
Have fun with the slime.
Look at it. We need to get more slime. Look at it go. Look at Gus, Mommy. Look at Gus. I got some on his shirt. I got some on his shirt.
Okay. Now we're gonna place the slime. Now we're gonna place the slime under a light source for a few minutes, and then we're gonna see if it glows in the dark. So let's take this green light. Excuse me, Terrence.
It's sticky.
And we'll keep that there for a few minutes.
And this.
And then we're gonna go in a dark room to see if it glows in the dark.
And this. Okay, I'm staying here forever. Mommy. Because I got slime on my hands.
Okay. So the slime sat under the light source for about 20 minutes. So let's see if it's gonna glow in the dark.
Comment down below if you think that the slime is gonna glow in the dark. Oh, happy. If you like our page, subscribe and click the button. Like button.
Okay, now let's see. Let's turn off all the lights and let's see if the slime is gonna glow up.
We already do like 5 hours and 20 hours.
So the slime did, in fact, glow in the dark.
So it didn't glow.
So cool.
It didn't glow.
So the slime did, in fact, glow in the dark.
Let me see.
How about that?
Let me see.
How about that, guys, for an experiment?
Good, super duper good. That's
Super.
Oh, now it isn't. And now it looks like a skinny guy. Ooh, thank you. Now it looks like a skinny guy. Mommy, it looks like a skinny guy. Look, Mommy. Mommy, it looks like a skinny guy. It looks like a skinny guy, Mommy. Like that. I am not such a misfit. Why am I such a misfit? Okay.
All right, now go stand over there and say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Wait, bye. I'm not ready. Okay.
Say it together. Go say it. Say thanks for watching.
Thank you to watching for having a fun and getting smarter or done stuff. And thanks for watching. Bye. And be happy, smarter. And bye.